Hey there team, James Smith, or better known as the Tattoo Butcher, and today we're doing low and slow beef short ribs on the Flare outdoor fireplace. So to get started we need to make sure that we have a set of New Zealand beef short ribs. Today we're starting with a whole plate of ribs, so we've got 4 separate ribs there that we're going to cut into pieces. So once we've seared our short ribs off, we can chuck them in our ironclad pan Dutch oven, and then we can load it full of tasty ingredients. So for ingredients today, all we're going to need is 2 cups of tomato pasta sauce, 1 cup of water, 1 cup of red wine, 6 cloves of garlic finely chopped, 2 brown onions chopped, fresh thyme and basil sprinkled on top. Now that our short ribs are all stuffed inside our Dutch oven with all our tasty ingredients, we're going to chuck on the swing frame and cook on a low heat with a small amount of embers for around 4 to 5 hours until these short ribs fall apart. So now that our short rib's cooked, it's ready to rest for 10 minutes before we serve it. So that is a wrap on my New Zealand beef short ribs done low and slow style on the Flare outdoor fireplace. If you guys want to check out more amazing recipes just like the one I did today, head over to recipes.co.nz.